it's Joelle, and today I am going to be trying Toxic Waste. And there is some flavours. There is apple, there's lemon, there's cherry, there is blue raspberry. So I'm going to try one. Today I'll be trying the blue raspberry one. So they're quite like warheads. They are so sour. It goes out of flavour at the end. They're so sour. So I went out of flavour. So guys, that was a great video. So hope you subscribe and like my videos, because I'm not on YouTube and I'm only new. So I want some subscribers and likes. Bye.